everyone, I'm Yue. Welcome to your 5-minute glute cardio burn. 20 seconds on, 20 seconds off. 5 minutes is all you need. Your first move, prisoner squats here. Keep your elbows back. Your feet are shoulder width apart, and we'll take it down and up right now. 20 seconds. Sit back into that imaginary chair. It's very important to keep your elbows up. Squeeze your glutes as you drive up from your heels. 5 more seconds here. And recover. Second move, give me some lateral jumps. You're just jumping from side to side, using your arms for that momentum. Try to clear some height for this first round. That's right, first round. There's more than one round. 3 seconds of rest. And go. Sort of like you're skiing. If you like very exaggerated skiing. 5 seconds. 2 and 1. Recover. We're going to combine those two moves. It's a prisoner squat, lateral jump, back and forth. We're moving the arms out of the equation, so you got to rely more on your glutes and your quads. Let's get in position. And 20 seconds on the clock right now. Jump it. Every time you land, you come into a squat, but you want to land as softly and quietly as possible. Woo, feel that burn. Last 2. Last 1, and recover. Very last move of this ladder for that first round. Prisoner squat, lateral jump, back into a burpee. Come up, jump, and burpee. That's right. Woo! 20 seconds. Go. Burpee. Jump it over. Burpee. Jump. Go at your own pace. Or come along with me. Last 1. Back and recover. Okay, we're gonna come down that ladder, starting with that same move. Pound out your quads just a little bit. Woo! 5 more seconds. Starting with the same. Squat, lateral jump with burpee. Go. Trying to clear some height when you do the lateral jump. Last 1 and recover. Woo. Okay. My top knot is a mess right now. Okay, prisoner squat, lateral jump. I'm like, what's it called again? 3 seconds to go. Let's get it. When you cannot rely on your upper body to propel yourself up, it's brute strength from your legs and your glutes. 3 more seconds. 2, 1. Coming down that ladder. Woo! Lateral jumps. We're reintroducing the upper body into the equation. I'm letting my hair down because why not? It's a party. Jumping side to side like you're skiing moguls. Let's get it. Now, best thing about working out is I have no idea what I look like and I do not care. Can we go a little faster here? Last 10 seconds. Go, go, go. Speed racer, go. 5 seconds. And recover. Woo! Ah, very last move. Yeah. Prisoner squats. This time, I want you to squat and give me a 180 turn. Keep turning. It's a little bonus round for you. You're welcome. Let's get it. Do that nice 180 controlled turn. Really working those glutes. Getting deep down in there. 2, 1, and done. That's your 5-minute lower body and glute burn. Come back for more 5-minute workouts. That's all you need. I'm Yue. See you next time.